Hello, and welcome to the channel where we help you get more out of your mobile apps with easy and clear tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to turn on the pinch zoom button. First, open the Dolphin browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Dolphin icon. Then, in the menu that appears, find and click on the Settings icon. After that, click on Advanced Settings to see more detailed options. Next, in the Advanced Settings, scroll down to find a setting related to page zoom. Then tap on Page Zoom and look for an option that enables the pinch zoom button or multi-touch zoom. Once you find the pinch zoom option, turn it on so you can pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in or out. You should now be able to zoom pages more easily with the pinch gesture on your mobile device. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to enable pinch zoom in Dolphin Browser.